Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on Plus500. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, the first thing that we are going to do is go to search or instruments and search for BTC, Bitcoin. Then we select right here Bitcoin and then you will find right here the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, let's say we want to create ourselves a long position, a buy. Then we select right here on buy. And then we fill in right here the contracts that we want to buy. So 0.010 is fine. And after that, we can also put a take profits or a stop loss on it if you want to do on risk management. But then from here, it's not necessary, but yeah, it's your own responsibility. But I can recommend you to do that. And then after that, we select right here buy. And there we go. Now we are having a buy position for the value of $626. And this is exactly how you can buy Bitcoin. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.